There are many places you can choose to build your new home. So why here? Why Rosemont Links? Hi, I'm Ashley. Welcome to the new community in Fairlawn located near the Montrose area. When you move to Rosemont Links, you're getting a luxurious townhome with a convenient lifestyle while living in a prime location. Spend more time enjoying your new home with landscaping installed and lawn and snow maintained, creating the perfect setting inside or out to welcome family and friends over. No more breaking your back having to shovel snow. You'll also get to enjoy the low taxes in this area, putting more money in your pockets to spend on the things you love. Make your commute a breeze with easy access to I-77, I-76, and I-21 less than 2 miles away. You're right down the road from Montrose shopping and dining. Mustard Seed, Acme, and Giant Eagle are just 3 minutes away for quick grocery runs. Dining destinations are also plentiful. Spend an evening close to home at Burntwood Tavern, Ken Stewart's Grill, Gasoline Alley, or Kingfish, to name a few. Each 2-story townhome with up to a 2-car garage lays out like a single-family home and is designed with you in mind. With a first-floor owner suite, you can forget the hassle of stairs and make living easier. An open floor plan means you'll have room for everyone, so go ahead and plan the next event and invite the grandkids over. Never miss a conversation with your open kitchen, dining, and living area. Always be a part of the action. And when it's time for some fresh air, enjoy the walking trails throughout this community or play a round of golf at the nearby Portage or Fairlawn country clubs. You can even head to the various towpath trails 8 minutes from your house or the nearby nature realm. There's something for everyone with biking, paddling, fishing, shopping, swimming, and other activities. Does Rosemont Links sound like the perfect place to call home? Click the orange Contact Us button to arrange your visit. I'm so excited to help you get started.